Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Good Riddance on piano. We'll begin by mastering the fundamental chords. First, position your right hand for a G major chord, with your thumb on G, index finger on B, and middle finger on D. Next, smoothly transition to a C major chord, moving your thumb to C, index to E, and middle to G. Practice these two chords back and forth, focusing on a consistent, even rhythm. This foundation is crucial for the entire song. Now, let's introduce the melody with your right hand, while your left hand provides a simple bass line. The melody often starts with a G note, played with your pinky finger. Your left hand will play the root note of each chord, like a low G for the G major chord. Practice playing both hands together very slowly, ensuring each note aligns perfectly. This coordination is key to bringing the song to life. Rhythm and dynamics are essential for an expressive performance. Good Riddance is typically played in a 4/4 time signature, so count 1, 2, 3, 4 consistently. Experiment with dynamics by playing some sections softly, like the verses, and others with more emphasis, such as the chorus. Using a metronome set to about 100 beats per minute will help you maintain a steady tempo and improve your timing significantly. To master Good Riddance, consistent practice is vital. Break the song into smaller, manageable sections, perhaps 4 to 8 measures at a time, and practice each until it feels natural. Listen to the original recording often to internalize the song's unique rhythm and emotional feel. As your accuracy and confidence improve, gradually increase your playing speed. Remember, patience and persistence are your best friends on this musical journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.